Universal Fit Kit. Great Assortment Push Retainer Kit with 12 popular size, fitting for door trim, radiator shield yoke, fender, bumper and splash shield retainers replacement for Ford, GM, Chrysler, Toyota, Honda and more. Save time and money. You can find 240PCS automotive push-type retainer kit in the box and no need to go to a auto parts store to look for different fasteners. You can remove the old clips using free fastener remover. High quality material with heavy-duty construction for durability. This push-type retainers set would not break or crack easily during use. Most common sizes, do not worry about lost or damaged body fasteners. All the necessary retainers for exact replacement of old and broken retainer. Easy storage, comes with a plastic box with 12 compartments for organized storage. Compact size, convenient to store or carry within your car. 1/4, 6.4 mm hole size, panel range, 0.095. 540 nylon shield retainers, quantity, 209 32, 7.1 mm, hole size, panel range, 0.125. 310 nylon shield retainers, quantity, 205 16, 7.8 mm, hole size, panel range, 0.078 to 0.490. Black shield retainers, quantity, 2023 64, 9 mm, hole size, panel range, 060. 510 black shield retainers, quantity, 203 eighths, 9.5 mm, hole size, panel range, 0.115 to 0.565. Black shield retainers, quantity, 2025 64, 10 mm, hole size, panel range, 0.040 to 0.787. Black shield retainers, quantity, 201 quarters, 6.3 mm, hole size, panel range, 9/16. Black mud skirt blind rivets, quantity, 205 16, 8 mm, hole size, head diameter, 20 mm, stem length, 11 mm. Front fender push-type retainers, quantity, 205 16, 8 mm, hole size, head diameter, 20 mm, stem length, 20 mm. Air baffle to undercarriage push-type retainers, quantity, 2023 64, 9 mm, hole size, head diameter, 18 mm, stem length, 28 mm. Rear bumper cover push-type retainers, quantity, 2023 64, 10 mm, hole size, head diameter, 20 mm, stem length, 13 mm. Push-type retainers, quantity, 2023 64, 10 mm, hole size, head diameter, 20 mm, stem length, 18 mm. Push-type retainers, quantity, 20. Package included, 1x240PCS push retainer kit 1x fastener remover. Top reviews from the United States. Great clip removal tool. I needed a few smaller tabs, but remember you can always drill the plastic to fit a slightly larger retainer. I wish it had a few smaller sizes, but it's a great kit for the price. I just keep a drill bit in the kit to make sure the smallest retainer will fit.